Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm really excited this afternoon. Going to, I can't say where, but a location. It's my friend's back garden, and he texted me the other day to say there's a kingfisher asleep in his back garden on a branch and it ain't moving. So I was like, I'm not missing this opportunity. So let's get into it. Let's see what happened. So I'm here in secret location and about to go into the back garden just before sunset to see where this kingfisher is sleeping on a branch, and hopefully light it really nice and not so it's like right in his eyes and blinding him, and just a nice little dim light so I can get it on camera and hopefully a bit of video as well. Here goes. Okay, so I'm in this secret location in my friend's back garden and the dog's barking, sorry, and this is where the kingfisher goes to sleep at night. I'll spin the camera around so you can see it. We've got about another 45 minutes before sunset, so hopefully he arrives on time. Apparently he arrives dead on the dot, and just curls up in a ball, and I've seen the photographs. Hopefully I can get some of those. So here it is. This is the branch and the little tree that he sits in. Just on this branch that comes out, this one, and this one there, and also that one as well. So some pictures. So this is where we were, in the back of my friend's garden, waiting for sunset and for him to turn up. And do you know what? He snuck upon us. And even though we were checking every 10 minutes, he snuck and perched on a branch, and he was there. The lighting was terrible and we didn't want to blind him, so here are the results of us getting a kingfisher asleep, but also him also throwing out a pellet as well. And we later discovered after editing it wasn't a him, it was actually a female, young female kingfisher. Wow. So kingfisher asleep on a branch by a stream. Yeah, just amazing. Just seeing him coughing up stuff as well from those fishing today. That was awesome to see the kingfisher. Here's some shots from this evening. I'm back to Cumbria now. That was brilliant, and hope you enjoyed the footage. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you've liked this video, and there's some more videos on the way. Take care. Bye for now.